Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your iPhone 15 in a few different ways. So let's get started. First method we're going to use is the buttons on our iPhone. So you're going to locate the volume up or volume down button, either of those, along with this big side button. So we need to press either the volume up or volume down button along with this big side button for about a few seconds. So I'm going to hold the volume up and the side button about for a few seconds until this menu pops up where I can slide to power off. So that's going to be method number one. Now, if you don't want to use your buttons, you can also do it through the settings on your iPhone. So go ahead and open up your settings. From the main settings here, you're going to simply go to General. And then all the way down here where it says Shutdown, we're going to want to click on Shutdown. And from there on, we're going to simply slide to power off or turn off our iPhone. Now, our third method includes using Siri. So if you have Siri turned on, you can activate Siri to also turn off your iPhone. So I'm just going to issue the command by pressing and holding Siri, or you can say, "Hey Siri," "Hey Siri, power off."
Just to confirm, you want to power off this device?
Yes. And then as you can see here, it's powering off our device without having to either go through the settings or using the buttons on our iPhone. And now you might be wondering how to turn it back on. And it's going to be really simple here. This time, you're just going to press and hold this big side button until you see the Apple logo appear. So you just keep on holding until you see the Apple logo, and then you let go of that button, and we're good to go here. Now, if that doesn't work for you, another way to turn it back on is plug it into a charger like you would normally charge the phone, and that will also turn it back on. So those are going to be different ways to turn off and on your iPhone 15. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We will see you guys next time.